y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiera here. I am back in the building. I am back with another video for you guys. So I was just blow drying my hair and I was like, why not film it and show you guys how I stretch and blow dry my hair out. As you guys can see, I have already started on the back section and my hair is extremely soft, shiny, and it feels so darn healthy. So the blow dryer that I use is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. This is the Revlon dryer brush. It looks like this. This is one of my greatest products that I bought for my hair that I am pleased with. I had this about a year and I am obsessed with it. I only use this brush. I love it. It makes my life 10 times more easier because back in the past I used to have, the comb attachments, and that thing kept falling off. The teeth kept breaking, and then when the teeth break, it snags in your hair, it rips your hair. Yeah, using this Revlon blow dryer, I notice less breakage and my hair gets straighter faster, like so much faster than using the comb attachment and that jazz. Without this thing right here in my life, I don't know where I'll be, because this made my life 10 times easier. If you have natural hair and you blow dry your hair, I recommend getting this as soon as possible. I think this was like $60 at ULTA, but I had like a coupon, like $10 off or half off, something like that. I don't know. I didn't pay the full 60, but even if you did pay full 60, this is a good investment. Like, girl, this is a good investment, okay? Like this, you need to go out and get this right now. If you have a baby girl or a baby boy that has lots and lots of hair and they cry a lot and you trying to get their hair done and it's like taking forever, invest in this Revlon dryer brush. It is a great investment. It don't snag my hair, it don't break my hair, it smooths out my hair. I just love it. Let me get off this ranting rage and show you guys how I use it. First of all, I start off with a heat protector. It is very important to apply a heat protector to your hair when you're applying any kind of heat. It doesn't matter if it's blow dryer, indirect heat, straightening iron, pressing comb. Apply a heat protector. And the one I use is this one, and this is the Design Essentials Natural Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection. And this is the Blow Dry and Styling Primer. And this claims to dry your hair faster, and it is a heat guard. So I like this one, and it does make my hair silky smooth. So I forgot the price of this, but I will leave it down in the description box for you guys. So I'm going to take down this front section right here and then apply my heat protector to it. I apply a lot to my ends. I make sure my ends are well protected. I love keeping my dryer setting on low. There it is. I'm going to dry my hair. Alright, so this section right here is like mainly dry. So when I blow dry my hair, always put the brush on my hair and then turn it and then glide it through my hair. So I put it on there, then turn it. It kind of helps with straightening it out. And as you guys can see, my hair is blow dried. To give my roots a little bit more, because I feel like a little bit of moisture in my roots, I kind of part my hair in half like that and then clamp this section up and then get my roots some more like that. And voila, this is how I blow dry my hair out. So much easier. There's no comb falling off the blow dryer. Like, this is my ride and die. This is my baby. I love this brush. I love it. Like I said, I absolutely love this brush. I just want to do a quick video and show you guys how I straighten my hair out. I want to blow dry the rest of my hair out, whatever. And I'll be right back. And here's how my hair is looking after I finished blow drying my hair. My hair is so voluminous. My hair feels smooth. It feels soft. And just look at it. It's just so full. Yes. Full and luxurious. My overall thoughts of this blow dryer brush. I love the fact that it has like flexible bristles. As you guys can see, I ain't gonna get too close because I had this for a year and it got a little product build up inside the bristles. I don't want to gross y'all out or nothing like that, which it helps prevent snagging and tearing of the hair. It don't rip your hair out. It just glides with your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. It is that fat red button down below that says subscribe right there. Okay, and I will catch you in my next video. Deuces.